In this episode of Mighty Car Mods, we're battling our mad JDM all-wheel drive Turbo Mira versus an absolute nugget Toyota Yaris that we bought sight unseen off the internet.
This is my 1992 Daihatsu Mira TRXX X4. It's been fully restored, painted, runs a turbocharged 660cc 3-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 4-wheel drive system. It's sitting on widened 13-inch wheels and coilover suspension with a custom adjustable panhard rod. It's got a 2.5-inch exhaust system and GFB bleed valve. It makes 50 kilowatts at the wheels and has been built over the last 6 years. It has grip and lightness on its side, which could give it the edge it needs in this battle.
And I've brought along this Toyota Yaris that we picked up a couple of days ago for $3,000. It's got a soulless 1.3 litre 4-cylinder engine, a manual gearbox and no-name tyres.
It's Yaris Hilton, smoking up rubber on the internet, handing out the truck with the wheelie tech, leaking all its fluid, the original threat, leaving you shaking in a cold, cold sweat.
It's ugly and beat up, but it's still gonna whip this Mira into submission.
It's Yaris Hilton. Yeah!
We're gonna be doing 3 laps from a standing start. First one back across the finish line is the winner, even though we already know that I'm the only real winner here because I'm rolling all class in a Yaris and you're just jealous.
Okay, Martin, may the better 2-door black Japanese shitbox win.
I thought you called it Mira junk.
What?
Call this thing Mira junk.
No, that thing's awesome, man. I call it junk the same way that junk may be referred to something that is, you know, half of the creation of life.
Oh.
All right, I'm powering up the Yaris. So, Martin, I'll go 3 beeps and we go on 3. So 1, 2, go.
Launch it. Got it.
You cool with that?
I'm very cool with that.
Okay, this is it, everybody. This is Toyota Mira versus Daihatsu Yaris.
Oh, this is a Toyota. I just realised that my car's actually a Toyota.
Did you?
Well, it's not, but Toyota bought Daihatsu because it's so awesome.
Did they?
Think about that.
There's a tip for anyone who didn't care. Okay, Martin, are you ready? 3 beeps and it's on. The battle of a century. Are you ready?
Yep.
Oh, a lot of wheel spin from the Yaris. Okay, well, the Mira is ahead without any problem at all.
I might actually get ahead of him.
Oh, mine is terrible in the corners. It is just all over the place. Martin, my engine is double the size, but I'm not doing very well keeping up with you, mate.
Yeah, I don't think that thing's particularly fast. This thing's got boost. Oh, yeah. On the brakes. Oh, it actually sticks really well. Sticks really well. I just don't want to pull my body kit off.
Martin, you are pulling away without a problem.
Oh. Braking hard. This bit this is called tear your body kit off corner.
Oh, this is called the Yaris. In this form is not a race car. Martin, when we get on the straight, if you could just kindly move over to the left because I'm going to go past you with all the power that this has. I'm just going to go Yaris, go. Red line, come on. Come on, Yaris! Go, Yaris, go! You're pulling away!
Oh, that's fast. Oh, that's fast. Just floating through the corner. Wow, these coilovers are working brilliantly. It's actually holding its own.
Okay. Yes, on the inside. Go, Yaris, go, Yaris, go! Go, Yaris. And now I'm on the outside. I'm not a race car driver, but I understand being on the outside is not a good thing. Foot to the floor in the Yaris, the wheels are spinning. No, I can't get in front.
Oh, the car's just drifting around the track. Oh man, sorry Mira. I mean, I'm not sorry because you're fine, but I'm just punishing this thing to keep him off my tail.
I can see the back of your car is actually starting to slide out because you're hitting the corners at such speed.
Oh man. I'm getting on the power now because I've got four-wheel drive.
I'm gonna have to accelerate early. I'm on the power early, but you've got all-wheel drive. Come on, Yaris. This is it. I'm not putting on the brakes. I'm going all the way. All the way, all the way, all the way. Go, Yaris, go. I'm braking late. I'm gonna come in strong. Yep, I'm staying on you, my friend. I am a Mira hemorrhoid right now that needs some Yaris anal cream to get it down. Go, Yaris, go. Go, Yaris, go.
What a car. Tucking it in tight and I can power out. He just spins wheels. Yes.
I'm powering on early. I'm on the outside. Wheel spin, but I'm on him. I'm on him. Let's go, Yaris, let's go.
Oh no! It's starting to drift. Whoa! Oh no!
Yes! 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 Oh, too hot into that corner.
He's off. He can't hold it.
Oh, I'm off. I'm off the track. I'm off.
Oh, see you, mate. Those tyres aren't working. All right, here we go. All I got to do is get across this line in front of him. Here we go.
Okay, I'm powering on early.
Feed it in, feed it in. Here we go. Go, Mira, go, Mira, go, Mira.
All the way to red line. I'll blow this engine up to win. Go, Yaris, go, 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 go.
Yes! Chopped! Chopped!
That was an excellent race. Well done, man.
That was cool.
That was a proper chop.
This only just held on. Only just.
That car did exactly what it was meant to do.
All I could see was this car going,
This is terrible, man. This car. Oh my God.
Your tyres have like stuff coming off them.
Oh, anyway, Martin, I'm gonna try and, I'm gonna take the Yaris back. I'm gonna try and do a little drift around this corner here. Won't be a real drift, but I'm just gonna do it for the fun of it. And then we'll take the cars back. That's the end of this battle. Of course, you'll be seeing a little bit more Yaris. The right car won. I'm gonna go do a hectic drift around this first corner, man. Here we go. Let's power on. Some front wheel drive. Yaris drift nugget. Gonna unsettle it and then here we go, unsettle and it's just oh, what a nugget. Thank you to everybody who watched this episode of Mighty Car Mods. Thank you for everybody that's been supporting the Mira build, and thank you everybody who's been buying some merch from the Mighty Car Mod shop. Really appreciate your support. Martin, I think we'd better get back to the shed and fix this Mira, man. I mean, this Yaris. They're interchangeable, aren't they?
They are not interchangeable.
Call them one and the same thing. Martin, you're actually in the only legitimate JDM drift vehicle here that has competed in a JDM drift event.
See you, dickhead. See you, mate. Chopped once again by the Mad K car. Yeah. What a car. What a mad car.